Alright, so we're prepping this transmission housing to put the newly assembled drum back inside here. We're going to go ahead and got all these new seal kits for this. Now there's one paper seal like this. This one goes on the outside here. And then there's another one between here and here. So to get that out, is you take out these 4 Allen heads. Six Allen heads. There. Now these top two have a copper washer seal, and these other ones don't. So just make sure you put those back on at the top. So you'll unbolt those, and then this will pull out, and then be careful with this because it'll want to fall out on you maybe.
Chip your concrete floor that's stained.
This one, it didn't fall out the first time, but then I picked it up, it fell out, so just be careful with that. We got new seals here for the shift lever. And I'll put the new one in on that side, and this side gets the other one. The part number for that is a Timken 471570. So now we got the back housing here for this. We got to do a little more work before we put it on. Put a new seal in the front of this, and the part number on that seal. You threw it away? Yeah, that's on the seal itself. Is a 473224 Timken. Then we got of course, the rubber or cardboard or whatever you want to call this gasket stuff for it. So now we talked a little bit about the reverse band, about how we were gonna get those pads glued in there. After about 7 different places we went to, nobody had any idea or like what was going on, and we walked into one store that looked like an old bar, didn't even have a sign or anything out front. Walked in there, he's like, "Oh, you need that reline?" We're like, "Yeah." So he's like, "You want it glued or riveted?" He said riveted would be stronger and that they could do it, and they just drilled them all out and riveted in there. It looks like it's pretty much brand new again.
Apparently some of the old school type brake shops that do a lot of relining of brake shoes and drums and that kind of stuff can do this, but there's not a whole lot of those around, at least that we found in Tulsa. The place we finally found to do is called Lester's Transmission and Gear. They've kind of got just one little sign out. If you look up Lester's in Tulsa, you'll find it. Extremely knowledgeable, and they got it done in about 24 hours for us and had us ready to come pick up. I think it was only $25 to have it completely relined, which is, in my opinion, a really good deal. We had to drill out. These are kind of a strange type of rivet. Not like you'd normally think in the sailing world of a rivet that goes all the way through something and then use a rivet gun to click it back until it breaks flush. These are more of a grommet type situation. You have to have some sort of special tool that rounds the end off to get it to bite. Apparently they knew exactly what it was and they had it, so there you go. Shoulder, symbol, retaining ring, and groove of reverse gear tail shaft. Number 95. Snap ring? Is that snap ring?
Yeah.
Is that in there?
Yeah, it's already all.
Okay. place. Crescent. Backer plate. What is that? Doesn't have that crescent. Place new gasket 101. We're there.
That's 101. That goes on the other end. That's 101 goes here. But we can't do that yet because our
Up-end gear case assembly in place on engine gear. Make certain that engine gear thrust washer is lined up properly so the reduction tail shaft will enter gear case without interference. Lower reverse gear and adapter plate assembly over gear case assembly. What?
we're way ahead of ourselves. We skipped putting this in.
No, we haven't even got to that yet.
No, we're not gotten to it.
I don't know.
What you got for these nuts?
I don't know. Read that. So we can figure out where we're at.
This is about disassembly. Assembly.
I was in assembly.
Huh?
I was in assembly when I was a kid.
This is my black small one. A little ratchet.
Yeah, it was on the
Oh, here it is. My back and these, I'll have to put Loctite on them.
Well, it's wanting us to assemble all this.
Which is done.
We already did that. So
Alright, how do we do this?
just throw it on this nut here.
Shake well before using.
So we up in this. First, I'm gonna finish Loctite these things. Go ahead and put some Loctite on these old tabs as well, since we've already weakened them by bending the tabs back off the nuts. What happened?
Oh, it's the justice.
Huh?
It's the justice.
Justice. Who's getting justice?
Eli.
What's he want justice for?
He's gonna get some swift belt justice if he didn't knock it off.
What is he doing now?
for the answer.
This is the engine gear. That's what they're wanting us to upend.
Oh, okay. I was thinking like
The
this
engine.
or the actual engine. Are these all lubed with this one now?
Yeah.